Believe it, baby, it's not.
My goodness.
No, and you ain't chances neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with the dog. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
Favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my wrist. Oh, God, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
It is the lady be nice.
You just want water, right?
Should you want drink? It's strange.
Okay, you got that one thing.
Don't need no glass, no eyes.
If you can.
Don't need no twist of mind.
Here we go.
And now it's supper time. Nice, sweetheart. Come on,
Get off of her! Audrey! Audrey! Are you okay?
Yes.
Audrey, don't die. Please don't die. I need you.
No. That's the strangest thing just now. It's like that Mr. Wishnick and I were already inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And you so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey, but not to you, never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, which will be very short, give me to the plant so it can go to bring you all the wonderful things that you deserve.
You don't know what you're saying.
Oh, but I do. And if I'm in the plant,